guys, everything right with you? Today, we are drawing and painting a cute and colorful school's basic materials. Let's do this heart very cute. It's painting time! We will paint this notebook spring with rainbow sequins. And we use light pink for the above and the under of our cute notebook. Now we use light blue for the mid. And we use with careful the rainbow sequence on our cute heart too. Green for the body of our pencil. Pink and red. Now we use light blue and dark green for the measuring ruler. Orange for the scissor holder. Pink for the blade of scissor and red for the scissor screw. Let's retouch some colors. Our school kit looks great and cutie! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!